Pennsylvania bred 2-year-old fillies lining up for the $75,000 Blue Mountain Stakes. They're all in line. They're off. Seductora broke well. There goes BC's Train. The far outside, Love Contract. And it is BC's Train and Seductora vying for the lead. Dancing Anna moves up now to gain third. Solid Argument inside is fourth. Sunset Queen between runners fifth. Love Contract races sixth. Then comes Miss Ret. They're followed by All That Glitters. Second last, then Pink Candy. And the early trailer is Lotta Lovin'. They went the quarter in 22-2. And taking command now, BC's Train has it 3/4 of a length. Seductora is right there second. About 2.5 lengths then to Solid Argument third, to her outside. Dancing Anna's fourth. Love Contract looks to pick it up from fifth. Next in line, it's Sunset Queen, followed by All That Glitters. Inside, Miss Ret. Pink Candy and Lotta Lovin' still at the back. They head to the top of the stretch and turn for the wire, and BC's Train opens up now. She's got it by about 5 lengths coming to the 8th pole. To the outside, Love Contract finishing well. Far outside, here comes Pink Candy now. But BC's Train and Angel Arroyo are clear with 70 yards to go. It is Love Contract looking to hold off Pink Candy here, but BC's Train has won the Blue Mountain Stakes. The judges have posted the order of finish. The unofficial winner, number 4, BC's Train. Finishing second, number 12, Love Contract. Third, number 7, Pink Candy. Fourth, number 9, All That Glimmers. Running time for the 6 furlongs, 1 minute 11 and 4/5 seconds.